the type of music that we do, you can't 90% it. It's got to be 100%.
We've been gigging like mad and playing like mad, so this is really a result of all the playing together and gigging and the kind of the new music that we're obviously putting out.
You play the way you play, and the music we play is definitely about feel, very much so about feel.
I mean, we don't take ourselves too seriously, but we take the music seriously, and we're all really passionate about what comes out those speakers.
Took me back to my Thin Lizzy days though.
At the moment we're getting as many gigs as we can.
2 small tours to the Netherlands last year, and we got great reception over there.
To Holland, they drove the van over.
Your mum and dad?
With the roadies, they drove the van.
They drove the van?
Oh, you flew?
Yeah, we flew.
Never stop being a parent, do you? Never stop.
I thought they were great. It's what the blues is all about.
So they were great technically, weren't they? They was like
good guitar,
really
great guitar player. As they say in Glasgow, he would shove his granny off a bus to get it.
None of us could do this without the support of our partners. It just wouldn't be able to. It wouldn't be able to work for anyone.
And behind any achievement, there's always a group of people, mostly family, that are making it happen for you.
When you're in a band, you need the support around it to be with it. So the fact that they're all on board and all pushing in the same direction we are, it's great.
It's fantastic. There's been nothing but supportive, like, you know. So it's priceless. Like, and if I had parents that were kind of of the mindset that they didn't believe in it at all or stuff like that, then I wouldn't be doing it at all, like, you know. So if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be harming.
And so my heart will twist and turn, 'cause I need your light. Our chain of love is running on strong. You gotta keep the fight. Chain of love is running on strong. Chain of love is running on strong. Chain of love is running on strong.
Good luck, GT's Booze Band.
Good luck, GT's Booze Band.
Yeah!
GT's Booze Band!
Stirling City Radio with Ewan Duncan. I'm going to be interviewing the GT's Booze Band.
I have to say that the Tollbooth sound and light engineers and
hard working, friendly.
Absolutely, and it's nice for us to have been able to give them a sellout gig to manage as well. They enjoy that as much as we do, you know.
So which day is the album officially out, and does it go live physical and digital at the same time?
It's out on the 1st of September. And it's on Amazon and iTunes.
Out for the Lover. Here you go.
coming back to you. 'Cause you're woken up from dreams to real life, and it's not what you used to. Separate all the dreams that you had when you were so young. You should have listened to your daddy say you only get out what you put in.